Alright folks, here we go folks. It's a turbocharged 7720 John Deere combine folks. The ranch just picked it up today folks. This is the new harvest wagon. Hell yeah. Ain't fucking around. Look at the size of that monster. Look at that motherfucker. Yep, they upsized folks. They're tired of messing around with that old dinosaur one. Got the other ranch hand. He's operating a fucking 2-row fucking combine on the other backside here. Ain't walking all the way back there. The hopper's getting close to being full, folks. It's a nice model. Little update. I just showed up on the claim here. The grain truck broke down. It overheated. Put a new deal in. I guess it got burped and popped the red line. Might have popped the head gasket, so we don't know what's going on. So we're hauling them in wagons this time. Kind of sucks. They just put a new water pump in it, thermostat, but I guess got a big airlock in that old Ford. So I have to offload at the ranch and then use an auger to pump it back in the dump. Boy, is that a nice fucking combine there. Ain't fucking around now. Going big time now, folks. That little fucking 2-rower just kind of sucks to pick with. That fucking Tri-Moto pickle motherfucker. Nice fucking combine there, 7720. First pick of the fucking 2018, folks. Corn's good. Hopefully we're getting, looking to get 300 bushel an acre. Here he comes around, round 6. Gonna bring her on down. There he is. He's straightening it up. Yeah, I wasn't filming when I came down the road, but the old Antiquer was sitting on the side of the highway. I passed it. I didn't know it was the ranch's. There's other people got some old equipment around here. And he was sleeping in the cab waiting for the mechanics to come down it. I had all the belts replaced, I guess, but minus the drive belt. The drive belt let loose, so they had to throw a new one on the side of the highway. Got on just in time before the state troopers had to shut the road down. I should have pulled over and started filming, but I wasn't sure. I figured they were only going to be using the new one. That fucker, he's picking about 3 miles an hour, folks. There it is. There's the goat. It's called the goat for a reason, folks. Look at that fucking combine. Dual combines, folks. That's what they're running now. The picking fields dual style. Get the fields done a lot quicker. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Now he's got the windows open. I don't know if he's not running the air trying to save fuel or something. So the only thing I'm kind of sketchy about why he doesn't have the windows closed. I know that's a pressurized cab with air conditioning. Yeah, he's giving me a wave, means it's getting full. You got plenty of space. You're not full yet. Keep going. He might be getting full. He might be offloading. Backing up. I think he's going to take this end row. I don't know what he's doing. There he is. The main ranch man right there, folks. He's shooting and getting today a brand new piece of equipment on the ranch. excited. 7720, folks. It's outfitted with lights and all. We may be running all night long. Sun's going down, fucking unloading. Fucking elevator staying open for us late. Had to go fucking swipe a 5-gallon bucket from the neighbors. I got a 5-gallon bucket right here. Got a little leak on the new combine, folks. Doing good. I got a 5-gallon bucket. What we got here, folks, we started a fucking leak here. 7720, folks. We're losing some money right here. There we go. Right there in the bucket, folks. We're gonna feed the deer with it. There we go. We're getting ready to run the lights on this monster. Bring it on in. Here we go. It's the Wrenchmobile. It's the F600. There you go. He's doing good. At this point, folks, everybody's pretty much fucking drunk. It's the worst part. It's dealing with the money when everybody's drunk. All right, he's getting ready to drop the hatch. There you go. This is the leak we're talking about, folks. Hey, get out of the way. Off with it, Frank. Go. 2018 harvest, folks. It's the corn harvest. Make sure you subscribe, folks. There's going to be a lot more harvest going on this year. Hit that notifier button, and I can almost guarantee you, each and every weekend, there'll be something failure happen here at the farming situation.